Bear Track car haulers are available in 3 designs: straight, beavertail, and tilt deck, with carrying capacities of over 8,000 pounds available. This series is designed for heavy loads and is designed and engineered to minimize trailer flex. The tilt car haulers feature a gravity tilt system that includes a control valve to lock the trailer in the up or down position. Each trailer also includes 2 manual latches for travel, unleashing unlimited hauling options. Bear Track car haulers work great for cars, trucks, light-duty skid loaders, and construction equipment, multiple ATVs, UTVs, and more. These trailers are loaded with features only found on a Bear Track. The touchpoint weld system connects the decking to the structure at every touchpoint, increasing the trailer's rigidity and reduces flex. WireGuard enclosed and jacketed wiring is designed to protect the trailer's wiring and eliminate inoperable lights, keeping you safe on the road. Bear Track fit and finish is second to none, providing customers with the best-looking trailer, highlighted by finished corners, appealing aesthetics, and high-quality welds. Bear Track standard features include a tongue swivel jack, tie-down points, bolt-on fenders, aluminum wheels, and LED lights. Backed with a 5-year limited warranty, Bear Track aluminum trailers are ready for your toughest jobs, work or play. Bear Track trailers. Tough, durable, quality.